This is the laziest B-roll shot. So this is the B-roll technique that I used in all of my Christmas gift guide videos because I was filming them back to back to back one morning and the weather sucked outside and I really did not have much time on my hands. So what I did was I kept the camera on the exact same spot, on the exact same tripod, in my A-roll set, and I just held up the products like this to get some interesting B-roll shots for the video. So before I show you how to do this in camera and in your editing software, a couple prerequisites. The camera will be needed to be situated a little ways away so you can get some nice depth of field, and also depth of field requires a rather fast aperture. So the lens I'm using can go down to f3.5, something a little faster than that is also great, so you can get some nice separation. Okay, so depending on how good the autofocus of your camera is, you can literally just hold up the item like this, and that will work for you. But if the autofocus keeps tripping back to you, then what you can do is just get up, get the subject where you want, get the autofocus right, and then lock it off in manual focus. So now my lens is in manual focus. You see I'm completely out of focus back here. But if I hold up the product, it is perfectly in focus.
And then once you're back into your timeline, it is pretty simple. I'm on Final Cut Pro here, but it's pretty universal. So if you were holding up the product to get the B-roll as you were talking, props to you. You're an amazing multitasker and your camera obviously has really good autofocus. But if you did what I did for the Christmas gift guide videos and did the B-roll separately at the end, then what I recommend you do is as you're cutting up the video, look for spots. Okay, maybe I'll want B-roll here and leave a marker. So in Final Cut Pro, it's as simple as just pressing M, and then you can splice up all of the little B-roll shots you got at the end if you did them that way, and then just say, okay, this one was for the wallet. Okay, put that in, and now you have B-roll in that spot. So if you are strapped for time or creativity, this is the laziest B-roll shot.